It was the mid-1980s when what we now know as the modern biotech industry was born. It was then that the optimization of such advanced technologies as tangential flow filtration and chromatography were in their infancy for biopharmaceutical applications. These technologies required pumps to move the biologic material across the filter membrane. The pumping task in biologic manufacturing operations fell to inferior biopharma pump technologies such as peristaltic hose pumps. But there was a problem. Most pumps were not up to the task. In 1986, Frank Glabacheski was an engineer working for a filter manufacturer who had grown frustrated with the substandard operation of peristaltic pumps in TFF applications.
So we were using peristaltic pumps, but we found out that these pumps were not really made for TFF applications. So we're checking out the marketplace for better pumps and spent 80% of our time looking for pumps. So one night I went home and sitting in my car being frustrated after a pump failure and asked myself a question. Which type of pump did Mother Nature invent to process shear sensitive biological fluids like the blood?
After teaming with his friend, Joseph Zeitron, the duo did just that, inventing what would become known as the Quattroflow quaternary diaphragm pump technology. Quattroflow pumps feature 4 smooth-operating diaphragms that protect sensitive biologic materials like no other pumping technologies can. The result is the best pumping option and a new standard for critical TFF and chromatography applications in biopharmaceutical manufacturing.
So what customers love about the Quattroflow pump is the low pulsation of the pump, which is ideal for processes where pulsation is an issue. It's the high turnout ratio, so we have pumps that covers a high turnout ratio of 200 to 1. They are self-priming, which is important for some processes. They can dry run, so dry run is not an issue, so that's a big safety plus for the pump. Yeah, and we have single-use pump chambers, which is also a big benefit for processes. So multiple use, we have stainless steel chambers, and single-use chambers, we have PP chambers.
Quattroflow pumps are also perfectly suited for the emerging single-use trend in biopharmaceutical manufacturing, which places an emphasis on speed-to-market capabilities and lower cleaning requalification costs.
So the fastest growing product in our Quattroflow pump family is the single-use pump. Single-use pumps will become most likely 50% of the total. And it is not any longer the question if single-use will be used as a standard. It is only the question how it makes sense, in which application will it be used, and where does it make most sense.
So, what started as a single thought in the front seat of a car has turned into the ultimate technology for use in TFF and RFC applications within the multi-billion-dollar biopharmaceutical manufacturing industry.
So I do not see any obstacle that this product line will not grow within the next years. So we are on a good way to become a standard in the industry, and if we really push the accelerator pedal, we will have a tremendous success within the next 5-10 years from now.
The future is here, based on nature's own perfect pump. The Quattroflow quaternary diaphragm pump.
PSG, where innovation flows.